Good morning, co-interns. If you are having some problems with the quantity indicator on your website, then I believe I just found the solution for it. Now, this is what I'm talking about, the quantity indicator. As you can see, there are no numbers showing, even if I click on the plus sign or the minus sign. But then again, this only happens on Google Chrome because if we open the website on the Internet Explorer, it's actually there. Okay, so before we proceed, if you are not sure of what you're going to do, please stop from this point. Like what Sir Jay Pasana mentioned, the problem lies within the coding. And if you incorrectly change the coding, it will ruin the whole website. Okay, so let's begin. This is the code that we are looking for, right there. And this is the code that we need to change or to edit. So first of all, we need to go to the back end. So say for example, this is your website. Go to the back end. Okay, and look for appearance. Go to appearance and then click on editor. Now you will be redirected to this page. Make sure that you are on the WooStore style sheet style.css page. Now inside the box are the codes that I mentioned earlier. And again, please do not change anything on the coding because it might ruin your website. So the next step that we are going to do, make sure that you click inside the box, then press and hold Ctrl+F to open the search bar right here. Now we go back to the code, we copy it, copy, then we paste it inside the search bar like so. So as you can see, we now have the code that we need to change, and this is the code that we need to change. By default, it is at 16 pixels. So we are going to change that to 30. So why 30, not 26, not 25? Let me show you. If we change this to, let's say, 20 or 26, we scroll down and we click on the update file. Let's wait for it. Now go back to your website, refresh. Remember, we change it to 26. As you can see, the problem has been resolved. However, if your customers bought more than 10, or actually bought 10 or more items, the second digit will not show. There we go. So that's a reason why we're going to change it to 30 so that you will see the second digit. So let's go back to the back end. Okay. So if you no longer know where the code is, just repeat the process. Okay. Ctrl+F, copy, paste on the search bar. Oh, I'm sorry, because we actually changed it to 26. There we go. So make sure that you change it to 30. Scroll down, click on update file, and then go back to your page. Once updated, refresh, and then check if the quantity indicator is working. There we go. So you can see we can now see the second digit. Then again, it might not show the third digit if your customer is going to buy 100 or more, but I guess based from experience, not a lot of customers would buy more than 100 items in a website. So I hope I helped you out with this issue. But if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to inform me only on this issue. For everything else, please contact our guru, Sir Jay Pasana. That's it. Thank you so much. and you have a good day.